This is my third and possibly my last video on the Financial Accounting Standards Board's Statement Number 2, which was published in October 1974. And the reason why I say it's possibly my last, I may come back to this at some future point, but at this point there's really not much else to discuss. This is a statement that you could actually buy from the FASB, or you might be able to find it with some accountant, or you might find it as a used book. So I would suggest buying this and reading it for yourself, because after I talk about what I'm going to talk about now, there are specific examples of how to do this research and development cost, and I think those examples you really need to read for yourself. Right now you're starting to figure out what a research and development cost is, what it is not, and then the specific accounting for that, you may have to talk to an accountant or just read the FASB statement for yourself to see the very specifics on how to do this. Alright? Now, having said that, let's say you have to buy an intangible asset from another company. What would this intangible asset actually be? This would be knowledge. You're going to actually pay somebody for specific knowledge that they have discovered to use in your new product. Alright, and that would be like, say you found the guy, he invented the rubber for the tires, and you paid him for that knowledge so that you could make your tires with his knowledge. That's an intangible asset. Now the thing is that if you're going to use this knowledge for routine stuff, that's an intangible asset. But if you're going to use it just for your research and nothing else, then it's a research and development cost. Alright? Now, let's say you had to actually have a third party. Let's say you actually had to hire another company to produce a specific part for your new product. If you do, that is a research and development cost. And there are also other indirect expenses that you can call a research development cost, and you may have to ask some of your accountants about this. They can kind of guide you on this, but there you go. In a nutshell, now you know what the difference is between a research and development cost and what is just a regular cost for your regular routine business. Alright, in a very short period of time I will talk about the third Financial Accounting Standards Board statement, which was published in December of 1974. And in the meantime, I will talk about more math and accounting terms in a future video, so stay tuned.